Are you and your family not able to do what you want to do due to lack of money?
Are debts piling up?
Are you afraid of losing your job?
Is your family's future assured?
Have you thought about your plan B?
Does it feel like the stress is killing you?
What do people want or wish for today? Health, wealth, and success.
Having their own business. To earn more money.
Be debt-free. Less stressed living. Spend more time with family.
To be healthy. To build their family legacy. And you, what are you doing to achieve this? Thousands of people are looking for a solution right now. They've given up on their dreams, but we are here to tell you there is hope.
There is an opportunity to change your life forever. We're Artis International, and for more than 20 years, we have been helping people just like you get what they want out of life.
Artis is a family-owned company built on an attitude of serving others, helping people every day with their health, both physically and financially. Like many people who are watching this video, Artis' founder, Mr. Antonio Diaz de Leon Sr., lost his job at the age of 50. Antonio had observed that the majority of the population doesn't have a plan B that allows them to feel more secure in life and more in control of their own destiny. He, himself, did not have his plan B and was caught unaware. Because of this, and with the help of his family, he decided to start a business, which was founded on their ideals of family values and controlling your own destiny.
Over the years, Artis has become the pillar and support of thousands of families around the world, not just financially, but also by providing health and wellness with exceptional products. So if you have dreams and willingness to work hard, we can help that hope turn into the change you're looking for.
Every day, you recommend products and services you use to those who trust your recommendation. You're not rewarded for growing someone else's business. We believe in the opposite. You should be rewarded. We believe in rewarding you for sharing our products and opportunity with others. Artis has helped a wide range of people gain what they're looking for in life. At Artis, we have everything you want or expect for your life.
Our philosophy is based on the family, faith, and lifestyle. Our distributors are the most important to us because they are part of our family. And who doesn't want the best for their family?
How do we change lives? As we stated before, most people want two things in life: health and wealth. In Artis, we help you get both and the best for the rest of your life.
The first way to help you stay healthier is through our products. For over 20 years, Artis has been giving people quality products that provide visible results. Our Reshaping line is our pioneer product line that helps you obtain instant results by transforming your figure. And like our skincare products, not only do our Reshapers help restore your physical appearance, but they also help boost your self-esteem because your transformation will surely captivate and motivate others. But our philosophy of our products goes beyond appearance. We want you to feel good on the outside and inside.
According to recent statistics, more than half of the population reported having consumed health drinks in the last year. 50% drank juice, 52% coffee, and 51% reported looking for antioxidants. Our nutritional line delivers innovative products that replaces the functional deficiencies in your daily diet. We are revolutionizing healthy products by adding delicious flavor and the nutrients and vitamins needed for our drinks, so that with a single dose a day, you can revive your body for healthy living and graceful aging.
Our flagship product, Le Vive with our nutritionals, and now with our De Leon Café, all in a liquid presentation for maximum absorption, offer the best nutrition, a revolutionary immune and cardiovascular system support, and ingredients rich in antioxidants that help you stay hydrated, energized, and achieve your weight loss goals.
Now you realize that we are the best option for your health. Now let's talk about money. The second way we can help is by offering a lucrative opportunity. Our compensation plan has the ability to reward everyone. From those who want to make right now money by retailing the products, to those who want to build a business by sharing the product with others. A simple concept that's easy to imagine. How many times do we recommend a restaurant or a movie to others? How many times do we get paid for those recommendations? Well, our artist concept is very simple. We educate our artist family members to use our superior products and share them with others. This concept assures that each artist member not only lives a better and healthier life, but takes part in a life-changing opportunity.
Just imagine if your family and friends use our products in their everyday life. Maybe our nutritionals, or our skincare, or our home care products.
Just by teaching a few of them about our products and them doing the same with others, you can grow a business that will help pay you month after month and year after year every time they purchase a product. Products essential to everyone's health and well-being. Artist provides 10 ways to get paid commissions, but something very unique about our compensation plan is our Power Start program. This optional program has been the inspiration behind many life-changing stories between artists' family members. From people who were financially broke to being able to pay their debts, to people that are just enjoying more out of life. This optional Power Start program is one of a kind in the industry, since you have the potential to earn an additional $500,000 on top of our compensation plan, as well as receiving 100% matching bonuses on those who you personally enroll. If you like what you heard, this is only the beginning of many other incentives that Artis offers you. This opportunity is about helping others achieve their goals and dreams, making a legacy for future generations. As the founder of Artis International once said, "If I would have known that I was going to be laid off at the age of 50, I would have prepared. Now, my life's mission is devoted to help others to seek a better life." No matter where you are in life, there is always room for improvement. Why not be a part of something big? Join us, and remember, an appointment with Artis will change your life.